Hello my dear YouTube watchers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial we will learn how to make the powerful integration of the pop-up box plugin and one of the best email marketing platforms, MailChimp. No matter if you build an email list, want to segment and target your website visitors, or automate a personalized follow-up process, the MailChimp integration with Pop-up Box plugin will help you collect the data of the website visitors and automatically send this data to MailChimp list. So, let's start. To enable the MailChimp integration with Pop-up Box plugin, you need to have the Pop-up Box plugin installed on your WordPress website. I have already installed the plugin so as not to waste your time, so we can start the process. Today we're going to create a contact form pop-up to collect the names and email addresses of your website visitors. We click on the Add New button, and here we can see the pop-up types the plugin offers. As you can see, there is a variety of pop-up types you can use, but for today we will choose the contact form pop-up type. And we can choose one of the themes. For example, we can choose the default one and click on the select button. Here is our pop-up, which is enabled by default. What is important for the integration is that the name and email fields of the user data option must be enabled for the pop-up. So at first make sure you have enabled these two fields. You can either make the fields required or not by ticking the required checkbox. After making sure we have the name and email fields enabled for the pop-up, we need to go to the Integrations tab, and here we can see the MailChimp settings. As you can see, the MailChimp settings are not yet connected. In order to enable the MailChimp settings, we need to go to the General Settings page, Integrations tab, and here we can see the MailChimp settings. As you can see, we need to insert the MailChimp username and MailChimp API key here for these fields. In order to make the MailChimp integration possible, firstly we need to have the MailChimp account. I have already created my MailChimp account so as not to waste time. To get the MailChimp username and MailChimp API key, we need to go for this link. We open it, and here we can see the API keys page. Here we need to add a new API key. For that we click on a Create a Key button, and we need to set a name for our API key, for example Monica Testing, and we generate the key. Here we need to copy the API key from here and insert it here. Also we need to insert the MailChimp username, that is for example Monica Testing, like this. So we are done with the MailChimp settings. As you can see, it is easier than you can imagine. So we save the changes. After saving the changes, we need to go back to our pop-up and refresh the page or save the pop-up. As you can see, the view has been changed and MailChimp settings are already connected. To enable the MailChimp for the pop-up, we just need to click on the Enable MailChimp option, and here we need to choose the MailChimp list where the email and names of the users will be added. So here we need to choose the list and save our pop-up. As we have already enabled the MailChimp integration, it's high time to see our pop-up on the front end. All we need to do is to fill the name and email fields of our pop-up and check our MailChimp list to see these data added there. Here is the front end and a pop-up where we need to insert the name and email, also the message, for example like this, and click on the Send to Admin button. After this, we go to our MailChimp account and to our list. Then we need to refresh the page. As you can see, the contact has been added to our list. So today together we learned how to create a powerful integration of MailChimp with Pop-up Box plugin. All you need to do is to create a MailChimp account and have the pro version of the Pop-up Box plugin. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Bye!